Hello and welcome back to the sewing room with Garner. Okay, we will do this. I promise we will. So here is how we are going to show you how to make your own patches to repair tears, holes, anything that happens with your jeans, pants, anything like that that you're wanting to repair. I'm going to show you how to make your own patches. Okay, and once you put your patch on, then you could do a zigzag stitch or a straight stitch, it depends on how you want to do it, and go through all the way through the hole so it keeps it nice and steady. Now this is not opening up at all. Look at that. I'm like getting a couple loose threads, but I'm not getting in there. So this is not going to recatch on anything and reopen. It is completely sealed. I'm going to show you the inside. I'm going to show you the patch, and then I'm going to show you how to make the patch. So here is the patch with the seam. This is a whole big patch. This is a small patch right here because this was like really loose and the woven was starting to come apart right here. It was just a little tiny hole. It was about to start getting into a big hole, so we go ahead and fix that first. So here's what you do to make a patch, okay? For a patch, you will need yourself some heat and bond. Heat and bond, right there. If you don't have heat and bond, your hem tape will work just fine, okay? So instead of cutting out a square, you make a square around it. Okay, you need yourself a piece of fabric that is at least a ½ inch larger than the hole or tear that you are repairing. Okay, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to go ahead and get myself a piece of heat and bond. This is how it comes out out of these little rolls. This is how it comes to you. Just unroll it. It's like sheets, like a large sheet of paper. Okay, put that aside. And on the back, it gives you instructions on how to apply this. But what you do is you take this rough side or the shiny side, and you put that down onto the fabric that you're wanting to make your patch out of. You get yourself a nice hot iron and you put it right on top. Count to 3. Steam, steam, steam. Good to go. Let that set for just a couple seconds, and then we'll peel that off, and it will look like this patch. Like, you see how it's kind of shiny a little bit? That's because this one has already gotten the glue on it. Okay, if you have your hem tape, you just go around in a triangular motion. Okay, so now that we've done that, just peel it off, and it becomes shiny. So now this you can take and put it onto the piece of fabric that you're wanting to repair. So let's say for example, I don't see any other tears on this pair of pants, but if we had a tear somewhere, we would go ahead and put it down. So right here, and I did this so you can see the contrast in color. Right in here, okay, is that sort of like there's a gusset area right here in the crotch line that the friction was really wearing away at those seams. It was starting to open up and become a hole. So now that I've made a big patch and sewed it down just as an extra security, that's what it looks like. See that? That's what it looks like now. So now that's not going to open up anymore. That's all nice and stuck down, so that's not going to come up anymore. That's how we make our patches. And all you do is take this down, put it down, hold it down for 3 to 5 seconds, however many seconds, and then it's going to permanently be there. It's not coming off. You can wash it, you can wear it, and it's not coming off. Just for extra security, you can go ahead and sew it down if you'd like to. Okay, so that is how we make our own patches to repair our pants that don't have any holes, tears, rips, anything like that. You can make your own patches at home and fix it. So all you need is a little bit of heat and bond, okay, and some extra fabric. So if you have some denim pants that you have outgrown, or your kids have outgrown, you can use those as patches to patch up those jeans that they are still wearing that may have some holes in them or some tears in them. So don't throw away those favorite pair of pants. You can reuse them and make them new again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.